let's just try to give this a start. I don't think this one's gonna start. I think this one needs service attention. So we'll try top, crank, panel trigger. So it was the gas and oil. Okay, so make sure your stuff is gas and oiled up. You see this? Fresh cut. Alright, so like I was saying earlier, if you see the video and you're like, I want to get the CS310, I seen how it cut through that log, that branch, I want the CS310. They may not have it available. I'm about 90% sure they replaced it with this one right here, as you can see, CS310. Now it's CS3410. So they gave it more numbers, right? So we're going to try to give this one a start here to see. Hopefully it has gas in it. It's Echo Day. All right, so first thing I want to do is give it a push on the pump 3 times. 2, 3. And remember, don't go too crazy with it because you do not want to flood it out because it can be more problems that you don't need. All right. Pull the clutch out. All right. There it goes. Push it down a notch. Now we're going to go for it. Up. Trigger.